Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a game pass on Roblox in mobile. So first of all guys, you have to tap on or open any browser. Now you have to go to inroblox.com. Once you're here, just go to this roblox.com. It will take you to the home page of Roblox. But guys, before that it will take you to login page where you have to log in with your username and password. Once you log in, just tap on on create tab. You have to tap on create tab, and if you don't see this page, you have to tap on three dot and enable desktop site mode. Once you enable it, now go back, and now you just need to tap on your default experience. If you have multiple experience, click on default. Otherwise you will have only one experience. Just tap on it. So other experiences are my game that I have created on my Roblox studio. So if you want to know how to create game pass, you can watch video on that on my channel. I'll give the link of my channel page and all the link of the also the link of the videos. Now you have to tap on associated items. Now to create game pass, just tap on passes here, and if you don't see, just tap on menu to get all these options. Fine. So now once you're here guys, to create a game pass, you just need to tap on this create pass button. Now you have to enter the name of the game pass here and the description here and click on passes. So I have created already lots of game passes. Now once you create game pass, now you just need to tap on a new game pass that you have created to configure it. Now you have to tap on menu. Now click on sale, and now you have to configure it. Enter just tap on item for sale and enter the cost of the game pass. So just price must be reasonable so anyone can donate you on using this game pass. So if you want to add the game pass in a please donate, because the main purpose of creating a game pass is used in please donate game where the users donates using the game passes, and these are freely can be created freely on Roblox. So that's why people prefer game passes over any other items. Now just click on save changes, and now you're set for the selling this your game passes. You just need to open Roblox or please donate on your phone. Now tap on please donate. Now tap on play button. Let me just rotate the screen. Let me